Hello everyone, this is Catrina K. Today, I will be cooking a Filipino chicken adobo. It is a Filipino dish that is made up by braising chicken legs, thighs, drumstick, or wings in a sauce made up of vinegar, soy sauce, garlic, onions, salt, and pepper. Also, a seasoning one. Another ingredients also to make it a Filipino chicken adobo or Filipino chicken stew in English is the brown sugar and a cup of water. The Filipino chicken adobo is slowly simmered in the sauce, making it more flavorful, yummy, tangy, savory, and making it incredibly tender. This Filipino dish, salty and slightly sweet, and can be cooked as spicy or non-spicy dish. And this Filipino chicken adobo is loved by many people and very famous and staple Filipino cuisine. Let's cook and try it. Okay, to start with a Filipino chicken adobo, I will show you the main ingredients on how to cook a Filipino chicken adobo. These are the ingredients in cooking a chicken Filipino adobo. It is composed of chicken cuts, brown sugar, soy sauce, white vinegar, whole ground black pepper, an oil, a garlic, a Knorr chicken cubes, salt, bay leaves, onions, seasoning granules, and a cup of water. Are you ready? Let me show you how to cook step by step. First thing first, in cooking chicken adobo, since I finished peeling the garlic, I have to slice it now. Slice it thinly. Sorry for the brightness. And I can guarantee you that you will love it. And most especially when cooking these dishes, make sure that you cook it with love. The secret to make this chicken adobo so yummy is lots of garlic. So, yeah, that's why I use 6 pieces of garlic. It tastes very good. I will set aside sliced garlic. Next step is to cut onion. Thinly sliced. I wish you can see it clearly. So, this is the onion. So, I'm gonna start peeling it. Oh, it's really hard to peel when your nails are so short. This onion makes you cry. So, be sure, if you wanted to not cry, the option is after peeling the onion, you need to soak it with water so that the aroma won't get out. For me, if you want not to cry during the slice of onion, you need to soak it with water. So, since my eyes is so immune of this, aroma of the onion, I have to cut it very fast. Thinly slice the onion. I'm done now cutting the onions and the garlic. Let me show you. This is how to cut an onions and garlic when cooking chicken adobo. Next step is cooking time. I hope you enjoy watching the process of me cooking a chicken stew adobo. As of this moment, I'm going to cook now a chicken Filipino adobo. Are you ready? First time ever doing this vlog or to show how to cook Filipino chicken adobo. So first thing first, for step 1 in cooking chicken adobo, you're gonna heat oil in a pan and sauteed garlic and onions. That's the first thing. I think the pan now is hot, so I'm gonna pour oil. Then I'm gonna like that so that it will scattered on its body. Then I'm gonna minimize the volume of the fire. It's time now for me to saute the onions and the garlic. Okay, since we are finished doing the step 1, sauteed garlic and onions, next we will go to step 2, which is add chicken cuts and sear on all sides. After doing step 2, which is add chicken and sear on all sides, we're going to proceed to the step 3, which is pour vinegar, soy sauce, and water. I have here a vinegar. Then I will pour this Next is soy sauce. I'm going to pour this here. Oh, the smells now are so yummy. Next, water. So I'm gonna pour water here. We're going to add bay leaves, peppercorn, and Knorr cubes. You've scattered in it. Then I will drop the Knorr cubes in it. You're gonna stir it. Okay, step 3 is we have done pour vinegar, soy sauce, and water. Also the bay leaves, peppercorn, and cubes. Step 4, put brown sugar on it. Be sure to mix it very well so that it will be complement, and I will assure that these dishes is so very yummy, tangy, salty, sweety, and most of all, a very incredible taste. Bring to a boil over high heat. We will wait for 10 minutes to boil. Then after 10 minutes, we're gonna simmer the dish. Since the chicken adobo is in the boiling heat point, and now we are going to simmer these dishes. As you can see, processing the simmer, look at the sauce. It's now thickier. The aroma now is so smells good. So you can see it's very tangy. I cannot wait to eat you. So, I think my chicken adobo now, it's cooked already. Look at. And now I'm going to try my chicken adobo. Here is it. It's so yummy and very tangy and savory. I promise you will love it. I hope you liked my cooking style in making a Filipino chicken adobo. I hope this video can help you in trying cooking a Philippine cuisine, which is Filipino chicken adobo. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy and try this Filipino cuisine. See you next time.